Now, next is orbital velocity of a satellite and its time period of satellite. We will find the all necessary terms and their expressions. Orbital velocity. Orbital velocity of a satellite is the velocity required to put the satellite into its orbit around the earth. ਮੀਨਸ ਆਰਬਿਟਲ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ ਨੂੰ ਅਰਥ ਦੇ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਉਹਦੇ ਆਰਬਿਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ that is called a orbital velocity. First of all, we will consider that this is the earth whose radius is r. Clear? And we want to put a satellite at a distance x from this surface of earth, means total radius r plus x in this. Let its mass is small m satellite and capital M is the mass of the earth. So force of gravitation will be F is equal to m by r square. Now we know that for putting this satellite in this orbit, that is in spherical, or we can say that they are elliptical orbits, so a centripetal force must be required that is equal to mb square upon r, so that ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੋਡੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅਰਥ ਦੇ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਆ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅਰਥ ਦੇ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਿਵੋਲਵ ਕਰੇ. ਸੋ ਹੇਅਰ r what will be the r will be r plus x this. So this is the force and this is also force. So two forces will be equal. Clear? Now this gm will be definitely r plus x because this satellite will feel the force of attraction due to earth. So we will take the distance of that r plus x square. This r plus x goes and m goes. Only gm by r plus x into v is equal to v square is left. So v will be this. Now according to relation g is equal to gm by r square, so gm is equal to gr square. So we will put this value here. Clear? Then number case 1. First of all we will take case 1. When satellite is orbiting very close to surface of earth, means surface of earth ਦੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਨੇੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਲੈਨੇ ਆ, so that ਜਿਹੜੀ x ਆ that is very very small as compared to this r, so we can neglect this x. So v will be equal to gm by r, or we can say that in terms of small g, gr square by r and r goes, b is equal to gr. Or by putting the values of this g and r, this orbital v,o means orbital velocity comes out to be 7.92 km per second. Clear? Now next, the time period of a satellite. It is the time taken by the satellite to go once around the earth. Means ਜਿੰਨਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਕਿਸੇ ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ ਨੇ ਅਰਥ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਚੱਕਰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਲਿਆ, that is called the time period. ਇੱਕ ਪੂਰਾ ਰੈਵੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਟਾਈਮ 'ਚ ਕੀਤਾ, that is time period. And we know that velocity is equal to distance upon time. So time will be equal to distance upon velocity. Clear? Now here velocity, which velocity will be? Orbital velocity. So what will be the distance? Distance will be circumference of the circle or elliptical path, 2 pi r. So r will be equal to here r plus x because this satellite is evolving in this path and this distance is r plus x. Clear? And similarly we will put this value v value in terms of g, this from this equation, let this equation be star. Clear? We will put the value here. Now this gm and this r plus x under root will go up in numerator, sorry. So this r plus x, 2 pi as it is r plus x, if we will take this in terms of under root, so it will be r plus x square, and this one term under root, so it will be r plus x cube under root. This is equation number 1. In terms of g, this is. Now in small g, gm by r square, gm is equal to gr square. Put this equation in here. gm the value is gr put कर देनी है. Clear? Then this r square, we will take this out of this under root, so it will be r plus x cube g. This is in terms of small g, means acceleration due to gravity. Now next we know that rho is equal to mass upon volume. So volume mass is equal to rho into volume, and volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So b will put this value here in this equation. Let this equation as a. In this equation we will put the value in terms of sorry, in this equation, in equation number I think 1 we will, yes, in equation number 1 we will put the value of m, that is rho 4 by 3, here write from 1, rho 4 by 3 pi r cube, because m, be putting the value of m and g is already there. Clear? So this 2 pi we will take it inside the under root, so it will be 2 ਨੂੰ ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੰਡਰ ਰੂਟ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਸੋ ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ 4 ਐਂਡ ਪਾਈ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਪਾਈ ਸਕੁਅਰ, because if we will take this term outside it will become 2 pi. This is simple mathematics, you know. So this 4 and 4 goes, 1 pi and pi goes, so this term, this 3 will go in numerator, so this term will become 3 pi r plus x cube rho r cube g. This is in terms of p, rho is a density. Clear? Now height of the satellite. Already we know that t is equal to 2 pi r plus x cube gm. That is, this is equation number 1. Already we have done. So squaring the both side, we have to find the satellite, means height of the satellite. The t square will be 4 pi square r plus x cube gm. Here take r plus x cube one side and other terms towards next side. That is equal to t square gm divided by 4. From here we will take this term, we will take in this side, and this two words multiply with this, and this will be in divide this. So now r plus x will be equal to this 1 by 3, it will become 1 by 3, and x will be this term minus this r. So this is the height of the satellite, means up to which distance this satellite will be launched. And next is energy of orbiting satellite, and already we know that this gravitational energy is minus gmm by r plus x. Clear? So we know that this energy is required to put, or this is the gravitational energy, so this force is required, mv square upon is required to put the satellite in a orbital. So if satellite is put in the r plus x distance, so we will take gmm by r plus x square, here mv square by r plus x. Only r plus x term we will cancel out. Next rest mv square is equal to gmm by r plus x. We will not cancel out this m. Then we know that kinetic energy of the satellite is equal to half mv square. So this is mv square, we will take half both sides, so it will be half gmm by r plus x. And we know that total energy will be equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. Now potential energy is this gmm by r plus x, this term, and kinetic energy already we have found this. So by solving these two terms, we will take 2r plus x as the denominator or LCM. So this term will become 2 gmm plus gmm, so it will become minus gmm by 2r plus x. So this is the total energy. Now binding energy means with which energy this satellite is bind to the earth, means earth ਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਘੁੰਮਣ ਲਈ ਉਹਨੂੰ binding energy ਲੋੜ ਹੈ, that will be equal to minus of total kinetic energy. This is also minus, so this sign is also minus, so it will be become plus sign. So this is the total binding energy of the satellite. One of the last topic of this chapter, the geostationary satellites. The satellites will appear stationary, that appear the stationary, but it revolves around the earth from west to east in an orbit at the height of 36,000 kilometer above the surface of earth. मतलब कोई सैटेलाइट ਜਿਹੜਾ appear ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ that is stationary, ਪਰ ਉਹ revolve ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਅਰਥ ਦੇ around from west to east ਇੱਕ orbit ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹਦੀ height ਹੈ 36,000 kilometer above the surface of earth. Such an orbit is known as geostationary orbit, or we can say that parking orbit, and satellite revolving in this orbit is called geostationary satellite. ਵੀ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ orbit ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ geostationary orbit ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ parking orbit, and ਉਹੀ satellite ਜੇ ਕੋਈ satellite ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ revolve ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ orbit ਦੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ geostationary satellite or simply stationary satellite. The velocity of these satellite is 3.08 km per second, and Period of the revolution of these satellite is 24 hours, means same as that of Earth. So uses, it is used for communication purpose. First of all, uses are very important. Transmission of radio and TV programs, sending the telephone signal across the ocean. ठीक है, so these are also called communication satellites due to because they are sending the radio and television program, communication, telephone signal across the ocean, so that we can say that they are called as communication satellite. Used for studying the upper region of the atmosphere, used for weather forecasting, and used to study the solar radiations. Used to study cosmic rays, carry at the ਰਿਸਰਚ ਵਰਕ। ਕਾਸਮਿਕ ਰੇਜ਼ ਦੀ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਵਰਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਇਜ਼ ਪੋਲਰ ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ। These satellites revolve in polar orbit around the earth is called polar satellite। ਜਿਹੜੇ orbit ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ polar orbit ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ revolve ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ around the earth, they are called the polar satellite। These passes over the north south poles of the earth and usually close to it, मतलब अर्थ ਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ 250 किलोमीटर from the surface of earth, and the earth rotate about its axis, so polar satellite passes over the different part of the earth during its each revolution, so it can survey and scan the entire surface of the earth by making use of scanners, sensors and cameras। मतलब अर्थ अपना चक्कर है जोड़ा एक अपना रेवोल्यूशन अपनी 24 आवर्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ठीक है, तो पोलर सैटेलाइट है ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਰਿਵੋਲਵ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ अर्थ ਤੇ, ਸੋ ਦੇ ਜਸਟ ਰੀਚ ਅ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਪਾਰਟ, ਸੋ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਰਵੇ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ, ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਸਕੈਨ ਫੋਟੋਗ੍ਰਾਫਸ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਬਾਈ ਦਾ ਸਕੈਨਰ, ਸੈਂਸਰਸ ਐਂਡ ਕੈਮਰਾਸ। ਯੂਜ਼ਸ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਦੇ ਆਰ ਯੂਜ਼ਡ ਟੂ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਦਾ ਲੈਂਡ ਐਂਡ ਸੀ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ, taking the pics of clouds and make forecasting of the climate changes। ठीक है, used to monitor the greenhouse effect। It is also called the monitoring or weather satellite। They are used for the remote sensing, used for the various military purposes। One last definition is weightlessness, the apparent loss in the weight of the body when it falls freely under the gravity। Now we are saying that if we are falling any body under just effect of gravity, we are not applying any force to that body, then that body will feel loss in its mass, so we can say that this apparent loss in the weight of the body when it just fall freely under the gravity is called weightlessness। So this is the our unit gravitation, 6th unit, or we can say that 8th chapter। So up to this the syllabus will be in your September exam।